Regular car maintenance is important. Regular maintenance ensures that critical systems like brakes, steering, and suspension are working properly. Fuel efficiency. A well-maintained car runs more smoothly and reduces fuel consumption. Cost savings. Regular maintenance helps you avoid costly repairs by identifying and addressing issues early. Regular maintenance can help improve your car's fuel efficiency. Dirty air filters, worn spark plugs, and low fluid levels can all contribute to poor fuel economy. By regularly checking and replacing these components, you can keep your car running efficiently, improve petrol mileage, and save money on fuel costs. Changing the oil regularly. Changing the oil is essential to keeping your engine running smoothly. Over time, the oil in your car breaks down and loses its effectiveness. Changing the oil regularly ensures that your engine is lubricated and working properly, preventing unnecessary wear and tear on its parts. Coolant. Made up of ethylene or propylene and water, coolant helps to absorb heat and pass it through the radiator. Check your tire pressure and alignment. Regular maintenance helps your car perform at its best.